mara nkosi yami shem Umbarex Nil P solo ngiyakhala
Talent.
bathi yebabe unemanga noma umdala angilimanye ngiyalikhwebo
Akukahle ngemagabazo ukuthi okay
ndoda
sengiwushaya ngematshe nyana ngesilungu I beat you with a stone ginger.
bathi babulibele kambe ubhakane majini
Ikuphethe kahle nyawupe mfana
Uyatshintsha
uba yellow boom. Fine lento creativity they are not dropping anymore. Come on guys, we still want to hear more of those nathi nisivakashele
siyacela
utoshaya lento live la.
Siyacela guys nangukuthi khona lotibona ngathi unalesibinzi ngoba ngiyathi ukuthi abasibonke laba abanalesibinzi sokuthi hayi Mpumalanga eyethu mina ngiyakoba checka kumbe Mpumalanga eyethu mina ngiyayitexta
Siyakhuluma nawe
avoid ma text
Hlezi
noma ungayisenda ngemistake usendele hard stokubhalela
and buke stobitana eligama lakho khona la sisibani sibonile yabo siMpumalanga yethu show sobatshela bonke
nakanalesibinza ivele siveze ngoba nyalo ngeva ukuthi hayi man ilabafana be-Shakes and Less hayi nama don't understand babethi vibe yama 110 baba wami shout out to Shakes and Less
la khaya
buka ukuthi abakasikhohlwa babuyile babuyile live varsity
bashayela event ne
usabali event bathengele ndzawo dog what say ownwa ngibo lokusho kona ukuthi ekhaya abakakhohlwa there is no place like
home and charity begins at home English uyayibona
that's why ngasanga
man Spider-Man kivawu vukani lo muntu togcina i-microphone seledwa nathi iyodwa nathi ikhulumela yena
Shakes and Less
hey salute
kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kubuhlungu sengingedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane ngizame ongela amaplane kimi kumnyama sengingedwa kumnyama akukhanye konke kwami akuhlangane